Hello travelers, this is Michael from M&K Travel, and welcome to another edition of The Suite Life. In this edition, we'll take a look at the suite at the Westin Washington National Harbor. The National Harbor is a waterfront resort area located in Maryland along the Potomac River near the Woodrow Wilson Bridge and just 7.5 miles south of Washington, D.C. It offers a variety of activities for the whole family, including shops, restaurants, hotels, including the Gaylord and MGM Resort and Casino. The harbor is also known for its Capitol Wheel, a giant Ferris wheel that offers panoramic views of the Potomac River and the surrounding areas. Now let's explore the suite life at the Westin Washington National Harbor. This is a one-bedroom suite which features a king bed, a separate living area with a sofa bed, a water view, and a work desk. This particular suite was on the top floor corner, which has a great view of the National Plaza. The suite offers a very spacious bathroom with a shower that includes a rainfall shower head as well as a handheld. The Westin is located less than a mile from the MGM Resort and Casino. There is an illuminated path you can take if you decide to walk, or you can catch a bus from the Gaylord Hotel. The buses you're looking for are routes NH1 or NH2. This is also a great location for capturing the sunset over the Potomac River. Here are just a few of the restaurants you can find located in the National Harbor. I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the Westin Washington National Harbor. On behalf of Katie and myself, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.